Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi A2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode, which will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So to get started, I'm going to lock the device and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. But before I actually do so, I'm just going to quickly mention one important part of this. So if you're planning to do this reset because you don't know your screen lock and the device also has a Google account signed in onto it, afterwards you will need to verify one of those two, either the screen lock or the Google account, in order to finish up the setup of the device. Otherwise you will be stuck on the setup and will be unable to use the device. Now, that being said, I'll be recording a video on how to bypass this and then completely remove it for people that are interested in this. But anyway, let's just jump straight into it. So, number one, we're going to turn off our device by holding our power button and selecting power off. Once the device is turned off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now there was a vibration, but I didn't see anything on the screen, so... Okay, so this actually boots us into fast boot mode, so it's actually volume up. So anyway, I'm gonna hold my power button to get rid of the fast boot mode. The moment this appears, I'm gonna hold power button and volume up. Now once you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power button and keep holding volume up. You will see Android with no command, so to get past this, hold power button, press volume up once, and this will redirect you to the recovery mode. Now from here we're gonna select wipe data, factory reset, and then we selected using volume buttons, and then you confirm it using your power button. You wanna select factory data reset. As you can see at the bottom, you'll see data wipe complete, at which point the reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again to initiate a reboot. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you want. Now that being said, the phone for me will be locked, which you can see right here with this little lock icon, so I'll need to verify it, or as I will be doing, a bypass video. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.